Good Thursday! Why did I buy a percolator? I know, it seems like I'm doing a bunch of coffee videos. That surprises me too. You know we like vintage here. Those beautiful vacuum coffee bubbles were just gorgeous, and I had to play with those. Then I keep hearing how good the vintage Farberware percolators are. I found this on Etsy. It's a 2 to 4 cup. It's very small. The pictures looked pretty nice. The handle looked a little rough, but the stainless steel looked very nice. And it looked like there might be a little rust or coffee stain in there. I got an offer I couldn't refuse. So this is a 2 to 4 cup. And for some reason, this didn't go to my house. I had to drive to the post office to get it. They said it was on the wrong route. We haven't done an unboxing in a while. It's kind of fun. And I've never had an electric percolator. And I may never have one again. If I could pick up a new old stock one that's not too price gouged, that would be fun to have. So this is used, but it looked pretty good. I'm a little nervous. The stainless steel looked very good. Oh yeah, it does. Where's the cord? Cord better be inside. There are some pretty good scratches here. But the way they took the picture, it was dark and you couldn't see any of these little scratches. But, you know, it's not too bad. And it's got this is right before they went to the black nub where you couldn't see the coffee percolating. And it didn't look stained. Farberware. The older ones are gold and silver, I think. And then later ones actually had blue. And now it just says Farberware, and people hate them because they're made in China. Let's see if there's a cord in here. Ho ho! Okay, and that looks really clean, doesn't it? That's very clean. There's the cord, and I did see there's a good chunk of rust here. We can clean the rust off. This looked pretty clean to me. This is ceramic, and it helps keep the stem cool. And sometimes you see them chipped and broken. You know, it may not be rust inside. You see how that's tan? That just comes right off, scraping it. So that's first good sign. Take a look. It's not too bad. I've seen worse. Parts of this handle is shiny. I think some Mother's Mag we can make this handle completely shiny, and we can totally shine the base. Now the really old ones don't have a zip code. So I don't know how old this is. I'm guessing 70s. Wow, I've got a percolator. That's not in very good condition. Let's clean her up. See if I can scrape out that inside. We got to get that really clean. Stem looks pretty dirty in there. You don't want to drink old stem. You don't want to drink old stem. I wish I got the glass one, but I've seen worse. That's pretty clear. See if we can, there you go. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to take the handle off, try to polish the handle, clean the inside. The handle came off very easy. It was just held on by one screw, bolt. I'm a little concerned, I'll explain in a minute. There is some corrosion on this part of the handle, and I hope it's from age. I'm hoping nobody put this in the dishwasher. You know, people can be stupid. The dishwasher would explain this texture here. This is held on by one screw and it just comes right off. There's a lot of corrosion. And there's a lot of rust. It's a very simple layout. Heat sensor right there. Fortunately, there's a website called Goodman's that still sells the heat sensor for an older model, which is what this is, and you can tell by the long wire coming off. The newer models have just little connectors attached to the heat sensor and the wires connect to that. Anywho, maybe they put it in a dishwasher, you never know. Next! So I did run Mother's Mag on this, and I could take it further, but I'm not gonna. For now, this is what we're doing. I don't even know if it's gonna work yet. I did not remove the rust, for now. I did smooth out the nut because I think the bumpy rust was stopping this from seating. Toothbrush and Barkeeper's Friend. The spring does come off. I just washed this. I was tempted to bleach it, but we didn't bleach it. I cleaned the inside with Barkeeper's Friend and Q-tips. From this side and this side, it was dirty in there. For now, that's the handle. It's not perfect. I could take it further, but like I said, I'm still not even sure this is gonna work. Let's put her together. There's a groove here for the edges of this, so you got to make sure that you match the groove. Groove. Screw polished up really nice, just with Barkeeper's Friend. Look how nice and clean it got inside. Barkeeper's Friend in there. Used in my finger, swish it around, and paper towels. Nice, clean inside. The stem in. Oh, I still see crud in there. Yeah, it's coming off. I'm not done with this. We'll clean this again. And ta-da! It's nice, right? Not perfect, but question is, will it work? Guess we're gonna have to make some coffee tomorrow morning. I'm actually very nervous plugging this in. I'm nervous plugging it in. Okay, here we go. I'm nervous. There you go. Oh, it's working already. That was quick. Hey, it's working. Wow, that did heat up quick. That did start quick, I gotta say. We're real time here. How do you know when it's done? It's supposed to go into warm mode. Wow! No fire? That was quick, I gotta say. I'm impressed by the timing. It is making some weird noises. What is that weird noise? Move the cup for now. Is it going to turn off though? It's supposed to go into warm mode all by itself. I can smell the coffee. Look at it smoking. It's going into warm mode. It's going into warm mode. Ho 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 ho. Hey, it went into warm mode. Wow. Whoa. Oh, I see coffee grinds. I'm not even going to try it black. I don't like black coffee. I like cream in my coffee. There you go. Our first cup of homemade percolated coffee. Give her a taste. It's hot. It tastes good. Looks a little weird in there. It looks a little weird in there. Okay, I'm not sure what's floating around in there. It was clean. One more sip. Gotta do it. It is hot, man. Work in progress. I would say that was successful. Pretty cool. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? There's some kind of crud in there. Thanks for watching. Okay, so maybe you shouldn't use a filter in this. It is not filtering. So that's my bad. I'm gonna have to get some percolator coffee because it was perking violently and I think that's why I got speckles in my coffee. All right? Okay. Ciao.